ner malak nyam ka nas jaltin kontin barwai ni ba kalin gwasame kanwar online tv channel ba ne racha ke tin tin kontin lat karodien rewi ka so sudan ka kume dung dr rek machar kene kirmayadit bane tungwani ken bane kalin ka jalarame sedama ngai konen go kirmayadit she gorno jen be kume spela iu bejedak no kache gorno ba Nuer ba kada kamniken lo shiken bete kamal bana jome bana jalin kata dan en chikir me yadit ya kuma sa sudan che yar kaje kache dr reg machar che lari tijien gwami mo che dr reg machar che jel katel melade lo tenerik tenekentin bana tin dialten konen kir me yadit kalata lade jag bana kalin kajen larame anyok why Nuer politicians do not work together and why there is no Nuer Elder Council like the Jeng Elder Council Rewika so Sudan bane jutati bane kelinkel Andaman dune chan kwas nyang malaya nong right ne gwasame kanwar online TV channel bane jo me bane jaling kata dan en we kume South Sudan we keje ke ta dan en we Nuer keje Rewika so Sudan Kenyam go region wo bana racha ka kwi Dr. Reg Machar no kene duptin kontin peno bukume de bawonyam anyok ngumitela mat nuerimo la nuertin la dieni ngumitela kamat ke jamo bana jelin ka jalarame go region wo jin broad palping ke liang dien ko ken information it very important ke ji ke kene dialten kontin lanweri ko goran ko bana duo badana ko nyam ke je bana je dil ngai kon ci bijale kon ke wa lo tele kon chuk ki tele dormlet kon ke kwi doran gorjen wo kon wade ko ngaje no ko kon ngane ko kon de kon ka kwar ti dit tingai kon no ken de ke lade longba ka ta dan ende norde ko nyam ko jabat ken charo dien pele lo shikan let ke gur kenene ko kien bana jo me bana je linkel ka ta dande ko lingaje ko ngai kono longan go tindi ala kono lat ko rudin ke tiak de mal kap tiak bani ko den warde kan go wonyam gor jen wo jin mi na me bi nyaaka de ko kien bana bana racha ke queen wari ala bana ala Nuer tin ko la Nuer community melariek andan en jang Nuer ko bikete ka dah adwobedien bana jalinka janlarame den wade ko nyamdi. One of the biggest problem facing the Nuer community today is political division. Many Nuer politicians are not working together. Instead, they are often split, each following its own way, while the Dinka-led government uses this division to stay in power. This has weakened the Nuer voice in national politics and has left the people without strong unity. Jowlin kon magwasa me alaman Nuer chetel kan Nuer community ke Nuer society de kon jiga no Nuer politician riudien tungwan chicken let kel chicken tekamat ka sharo dien nok chika dang na rodien waram mo ka dwop de gwam ngai ka jenu kan jang pankien re kuma kama dan tekin ka South Sudan kukan division me ke daga dana to kam Nuer karodi kukan la use la advantage kaka but queen Nuer je na me policy lat kamani akuma kirme yadi no daga na Nuer ko shi Nuer shi kan be de kamat so me de ko dan tejen wona why Nuer politicians fail to work together angume pen ko bika let kel angume jako kan bekeni danglane chabu gorjen ode kan chonkel. There are several reasons why Nuer politicians are divided. Personal interest over community interests. Many leaders put their own position, salaries and privilege above the need of their people. Instead of uniting for Nuer land, culture and right, they focus on what benefits them as individuals. Riu Nuer tungwan le ramen nimi we kaja ala do kon chola no ramen nong na roda karwade so bigu jenu mandan en deji nang niam biji sustained betig nang niam karwad jen guirana jamona de kon jigo no kwan wertungwan chicken deer ka community of course ken ka kwar chola ken wo ka kwar chicken niam nat but mishu guji what they are doing very far along Come down le rode. So kan kwar gwiram ni yotin kon ndere jek. Gwiram ni mandan ndere jek. Bine ku biga yortong mi. Be ko chitke kure. Kangai kono nene. Men la very important men bumni jalong re teke. Ojin bi ngajeno tika weke tika dorke tika cheng. Tika community. Me nyodo jin dere tadan dere benefit ne rodo karwado pele do Nuer yegija ki ko de jador na mo chiechong so na many ajene jak Nuer politician ko bike fail ko bike let kel mendo dien government manipulation ngai kona tadan entukume teke yere wi not shetka jang melet kene. The Dinka-led government has been very skillful in using appointment, money, and power to divide Nuer leader by giving some politicians jobs and leaving some others out. They create jealousy and mistrust. Mugi kon kume kim yadin man let kena. Da kan Nuer ke dupti goal. De kon jigen wonena Nuer tungwana tamake jan gwasa mem right corner. Da ka ke jang. Jang chicken way chicken a jek. Chicken dwarf chicken a jek. Maybe can Nuer politician bekan ka daga je ko can chicken bullet kill. And this is one thing we could Nuer ko destroy. Bekan ka dag so imagine bekan a ken ne itin kontin la politician tough government official tila Nuer bekan tandien moy ka yo bekan ka moy ka let do no bekan ta politician Nuer bekan ka dangrar. So mu moike damor moike jeka kom palka damor do dien ashangari alteje jek sele salary. So that is how they divide you as Nuer politician. Daka yeka yo beteka lan mudi damor te lora bangwa me. Don't be a joan jeno ngume ken work. Kijan. But this system dung me yot ke kirm yadit. Degani ye ko shi abeteka mat. Badamor beje moika kom. Benyu mor beje moika kom. Badamor me beje palrar. Benyu mor me beje parar. Be gorno benyu mor bi kula nak bi kula gangrar ka kume ko shabe chupten. One thing me jak Nuer politician ko shi can be let kel. So this is one thing that most of you should remember. Remember dien lack of trust among leader. Kwar sharodian ngat. Many Nuer leaders do not trust one another. Some fear betrayal, while others accuse each other of being used by Juba. This mistrust makes unity very difficult. And kumen wa bana ba ka kokten, ja kan wer ba ko shikaren bangat. Kam ne ken. Kan kwan wer panken ko la dwale no ngagrun mo waje nok. Belo betray ke ba banpin. And when mo chitel option, chitel choice, chitel do mu belar. Okay. Mena dien man dan man jang wer ke wo biken ene mo shibilet kel. So they konu ke historical rivalries, historical background kakon. Ala past event duk te walte shi we kore kam nun ware karodian. La past conflict between Nuer group and clan continue to influence politics today. And instead of overcoming these rivalries, some politicians use them to gain support. Ala terde konte tere Nuer mu right corner. Yos keke rewit ka Nuer manana ti Nuer tekten. Kam Nuer karodian by the way. Use karo ko te tare. So this is one thing me jak netin konti la politician moje ke ka advantage ko biken ne ko ken biken ke influence chianga ka jitaran gune chianga ka to ken nangak chianga ka ken ko ne pen kon kom awu de kon chonga kel awu de kon ke support such person aram kel kenetin kontin yar ko de nwade ka wonyam and politician mishet keno them let ke politician dodien. So this is how division is created. Ko Nuer she can bete kamat, she can bete kamal. Mena dien kan Nuer gwasa me telekon permanent structure for unity. Abana ku ya opinion okon she kon kwadur to kon kon wote ti ka bana romeka. Unlike other group, Nuer politicians do not have a permanent structure or council that can bring them together, settle dispute, and guide them. They call Arunene, Nuer, Teleke Dini, the Sharo de Realika, the Dengot de Kulogor, a Condial, la community kel, ki group kel, Kanuela, da Keb kel, biga jal kel, bi group de den ba roda keb kel, biga jal kel, wana makarwade, yene ite motel center, michung yentin, tien daglani, shadun gurno biya shonkel, ki biya tekamat, wataga lungono ba ye dil daka neten kon tila jitarun. By a manipulate, by a duck, and netin kon guru jono by a duck, ko yen tela ye, duwa mishadun ya pintin, tela ye mat, tela neti both kaya. There's no guideline that can guide people. So we should kanamo, daga ngane, daga Nuer politician ko deka letkel. So that's the reason why we do not have Nuer politicians that are working together. This reason that we just heard here can kedup the yar Nuer community. Politician can e kola kwart inde ko latkel tinde letkel de Nuer kan kul nankal level den so pene ko biga letkel. So they can bring a question ko nene. Why there is no Nuer Elder Council like the Jiang Elder Council? Angum tela kon bon dien mo ke mat dien Nuer shit ka menti jang tiken ke bon dien kan jang. Ngai kon no nene jang tiken ke dien ken ti shal ke Jiang Elder Council. Ba jome be je queen ya ke lo de gwa. Gor kono bana me dan lerol ban ngaj. Jando don ko kon play ke je, you know, re kuma ka kin mi yadit. Yar ka kon ke je so chicken dier ka Nuer ko ngai kono kon daklane tram mo gwada karwade tram mo dora karwade. You don't care about what happened to the other communities kan ne re Nuer so chane je mlinkel gwasa mene. The Dinka have the Jiang Elder Council which act as an advisory body to protect the interests of their community. It helps them speak with one voice and defend their political leader even when they disagree on a small matter. But for the Nuer, no such council exists. Jawlin koname point jana pan kente ken kemat diene. These people can recall la shum ke kirmi yadit shum kan kwarken. Mishi anane wote gaman mijitu china waka meeting ke tega conference malatke berdin ngaje no kan jang chig dole already. Men bukan wala ngai kan tare ngai karam dana budol bobiyo yarbaka ke tactic and use kana kala kana right ka jokel kan jang jokel mishi kana charjen bu right ka jen do badan yen kan South Sudan ka jentam mariyo kan kona ne kan kon ni chang o ken taken ke Jiang Elder Council kel ba mar ne dial ka charge budak jenta dan te ka ko ngai kana ne de kontin yin ka ka Nuer it help them to defend their political leaders. Wakaka ko wo biken kwarken ki politician ken biken kagang. Meno kan Nuer? No. La Nuer yan ente kel ka jang. Nuer men ente kel ka Nuer dien dina daglane. And this is common kan Nuer dial wimon. The reason for this include absence of organized leadership. Kon tele kon mat. Redan kon Nuer. Ngai kon no wan kon long bat tele kon mat. Mateka kon. Made kon kula nang niam kon de kon de la Nuer. This is one thing mandar na kon along. Nuer community are large and spread out, and there's no single body that unite them. Without an official council, elder cannot meet regularly to guide politicians. Mitela kon mat dieni kene dit ka kon Nuer adoba dien bikan elder tin kontin chepel tin chidit ke tin chidel tin de na kul nang niam. Mitel ka gwam la kan jekte na biga mat na bikan kan politician kontin la Nuer bikan kul jogo no wane ne de no niam de tell away che kon de mo niam kon Nuer. So this thing, it is destroying our unity. Ko kon yarlung yerene kon la diene de te kama de kane kon kula guide no wanene ka duob jane and all that, but teleje wrong. This is totally wrong ka kon were traditional system dan charge weekend a kore and kore dan chitu ko kon ka jang ka kore chitu cha kon dark intersection laling politician me randu ara me bene ka bako nang laling no pin ko kon kwene shiengak a kon shi gur dakter ma char pin a kon kwen dakter ma char no gone shi mane tabande ngai pin a kon kwen lede ka jang tabande ngai no gone jiduarin. All this talk, you know, dakan kon shi dian shi ga bijik to dian to kwido dian wo bu mat ka dian ko ki intelligent so mitala kon duo mi bano dan mat ka je kon wari abi kon chon kele bu kon gwa kel bu kon adul. We are not going anywhere, right? Tell gwa content. So amede kon ngach eneme en go yara kon cha kon yar a civil war cha kon yar long ko kwa kon idetin kon tinte ka match general litin chiwka deska tika dej SSPDF tika dej SPLIO tika swa tika bondo diena mom titena gon match ya dienen wari cha ka yar ka kon laran ma de kebe chugunyo no diere motel mengaje ka diene kane de content lwaka kon tinte ka kon tinte we dande jaga jagwa but ko jiro mo maj bi den war bi guje no tele mto kaja bi adien ngaje no diene nuare kane de kon de kon nang niam. Reason why telecon Nuer Elder Council again link koname ano bu Nuer bi ga mat, by the way go ro kondial American gwasame men pen kona bana tika mat a political interference mat ko bidian borin mat koritin kona to ka politic alo bugore jeno bijina kwer. The government does not want a strong Nuer Elder Council. If such a council is formed, it would challenge Juba divide a rule system, so leaders who try to create unity are often sidelined or targeted. Mishi konenta take a DNM general ka kwi madaki ka kwi malkano de Nuer de tashi nga de jalot ke de tekamat la jang la ya yudo ne tonga mi ka yo be jogo no waje de me gwa ku kan de la like jama Canadian contin kwa Nuer unity kwa je targeting chi gonde Nuer de kan take unity. These are the people that are destroying our unity as Nuer community. Ku kan de kon ku kan destroy en de mo me charging chagu je no te ka jo me la tobe ba yo ba ga jaga pin ba tuk da ba je pat yogo bine tuwaj. This is what happened. Michura je tamba je to ngum lar mi shit kana mo ga jenne ko mi shush ka bibet. What is the use of you? Still use. Gwazame men dien men peno de kontike Nuer Elder Council ala generation to continent shikan galalot. Younger Nuer politicians often do not respect the wisdom of elders. They prepare to follow their own path or listen to Juba promises instead of building on Nuer tradition. You gujira mi mo politician and wala ka gan were chero lare ye chero yige politician binen tin balat tibay beje long bero guje no pele long lenye diene dia lenye netin content nyam la jonji ngajungo you know nothing. That's what they are doing. So can ideality it shwalgati Nuer politician younger Nuer politician la dien shikana bayan oken ne tum pelikan long ka bun kan long de jago de kan dor no de kan pit kan de kon la Nuer Elder mi kon kan Nuer Elder Council ashi mi shawo la ne je ka politic ko Nuer politic kon de long ti karam guri ashi kan Nuer Elder Council chikan bugu no do no dar wedi bram ya chungjo ngako moje yo ko this is what happened in the end of the day. When you are Nuer Elder baje gurno ba your wisdom baje bat ke yo baje mo ke yo baje yo bin churit ko ga jeno mission Nuer mu bumbu mishariet ma jin that person ba ji target ba tugru ba mu ke yo ba mu ke kwan bi bidan tongami gor ni V8 ba kami gon turbila kam jima ba kami a jang en jang kam ji ba kam Nuer ba kami ko ta kami direct lal ke je ke link connection this network ke jitar Nuer tin ko na Nuer ka kwa Nuer identity kwa jabat e masano de kon stop kon shal ken Nuer Melodian ko kon gwate me lack of clear vision. There's no common vision to bring all Nuer people together under one umbrella. Without a shared goal, it is hard to create a strong elder council. Kon mitela kon me ku kon la wuten and go destination dan a jena mo ke vision and melet kon ka doran na mene ne lo bana yigit tela kon gwan mu waneten gorja wen wo kon de kon yikte ka dor ke goal mu de kon mat kon dial doran by the way ajen de doran chire mena tama ala de kon cholo je yido da la wujo mitel mishala reide tele je te tele je chare mer ma tu tele ka kon were kon kod kon rodan ka jor ala chi kon wang dan chi kon nget power that he have is bigger than this quick kon je te kon ka long medit a right a kur whatever thing ka gwar ngai kon dial tin kon lat ka rodian tem wimon but why do we have to support nonsense kuno menang kon kum no ku divine kon so shi mi chong chi chagwa no commission kana me mulat kona many. Because of this problem, the Nuer people remain divided while the government of South Sudan take advantages. Instead of building unity, Nuer politicians are fighting for individual survival. This allows the Dinka government to continue leading the country without real challenge, even though the Nuer are one of the largest communities in South Sudan. The absence of Nuer Elder Council means that there's no permanent institution to protect community interests. Each time a crisis happens, where people respond with anger but without a central body to guide them. This weakens the power of the Nuer voice in national affairs. Mugi kona lat korodi na temre kumeka. Koti nuati kan gari grade kamnikian. Ina Nuer bi kan ngore loti kar da kamdit. Gwad me mo wakir ma yadit kana janka bikanu ka mi yarkan Nuer ko lalar ken wonene mite ka do mi shajiga gwantaro madaji yarkaje then be dil gorno be use, and this is what kid is using. Disunity mente ka kon where yours kaje advantage kaje taran but quick corner Dinka government mene buko ko right ka gwan bar mu te ci kon mir ci ko ran be mat ci kon be te kel ke ci kon be jal kel. Mark my word. Gor kon mat ala kon shal ken war. We need unity. The absence of Nuer Elder Council means there's no permanent institution to protect community interests. Each time a crisis happens, Nuer people respond with anger. Chikonling. Ko kon tele kon gwan mi yet ko dan tele kon diene te don kwa kon location ko kon. Mite mi to by the way, la kon respond, la kon gag along by the way. Yes, la kon gag ke jitaran. But tele kon central me to power and ko ten. Mde ko ngajino diene kon kan ti gwathe me akan ko kon advisor ka kan jo kon no wanene na mano do dan de ko govern ka je de ko ro dan yen ka je tele ram ko kon guide. So what is the way forward then? Bana woni amde do dan de kon yam ko je jenene ko gor kon bana woni yamala talk as Nuer community gor kon do me jidit mde kon wo ka jenam. If the Nuer are to recover and stand strong, they need to create their own Nuer Elder Council, similar to the Jiang Elder Council. Such a council should unite politician, elder, and traditional leader, guide young leader, and teach them the value of unity, resolve internal dispute instead of allowing outsiders to exploit them, and speak with one voice on national issues like peace, development, and democracy. Without such a structure, division will continue and the Nuer will always be used by others instead of being leader of their own destiny. Gwadana bana unyam kaje. Ki duwa bana bana wuj kata changa kona jeka jamane kirma yadit. Go kana no de kon take a Nuer elder council. That's the main thing. De konte kamu mat kon de konte kamat Nuere. Chirkamenti jang dikan ke jeng elder council. We need to have Nuer elder council. Chirkamalatke. And kan Nuer elder council mo ba politician Nuer bakamat. Ba dian Nuer bakamat. Ba ne de konti la traditional leader da win bakamat. Biken ngani til la kwartin paiben. Biken ke ngej ka duo badan de ka rodian mat keje. Anyok bakan dian la Nuer elder council. Pankien biken duo badan entina dagla ne keje. Mentina ke tare keje. Mentina rin mat keje re do Nuere biken realeka. Anyok bugwaze me biken idealen konti la Nuer la ka maka betika duo mi biken realeka mi Nuer biken respond keje. Chancha gwinje no te me ba take out ramishi don Nuer she yar then biken dul ramme yar wich. Badil gwi ke duo badan de gwi keje. Kadwa yeroy ke jaba guch rami yeroy by the way rami nang Nuere rami sheng Nuere je ka jan chara mi yeroy jana and gwazmo and Nuer the council big Nuer look ko big right ke jokel big right ke queen national issue men to agreement big right ke queen malka big right ke development ke big right ke qui lor ke democracy re which Nuere many South Sudan bane so ti diala ti mitale ke tele jow ki tele gwan bana woten kaja so mugur kona bana gwa gor kona structure mishit kana money gor kon man mishit kana money gor kona bana jal kel bukori content choy ko kon ka ngwa kon wer bana ka kula lwang ka medong de kon ka wuch dungu nene the failure of Nuer politicians to work together has caused the community greatly. While the General the Council protect the interests of the Dinka-led government, the Nuer have no united elder body. Unless the Nuer create their own council and demand unity from their politician, the cycle of division will remain, and the people will continue to suffer under the system designed to weaken them. Muwe kana shin Nuer sharo dian mat ke chicken jel kel badil ngajino ala choy Nuer bedetena mena gwadi ajor. Bekem yadit bongot kami yonga Nuer jem yonga na antema pin Dr. Yang Machar ko telekon Nuer elder council mede kon kula ringtin kon dial ko bana wonyam ajen mi kirme yadit use a Nuer dialoni to moja ka yo ko ba Nuer unity ba de destroy ba ba de kuma ka bi Nuer bu chucheng ni refugee camp gwamnati tenan so ne mekeli o misha calculate wudi shal ka me kirme yadit so jen mu gor jen o bi Nuer bu ko nyam jin waramo Shariba Munishar and Ojina Walato. But what direction are you taking? A direction at den within Jin power when you could kami your ability responsibility that I kami could jani and mishi dear kane tin kola nekomo no no you dear ka do diano then doruman han en chaikula chakten dungu dear kon ka doro te ka kon gwazma kon ware ti dialde ka go dorana mo date ka kak dati ka agriculture midit dati ka dol walti dit guarana ala mugwa tara lo kemugwa shatugu ba joko ko yo bunwer bi ka banpin politico bidamor bi luk jegalong you better use that politics against somebody mukune ku ko oppress ramu mayerne ku use that politics against him but not against your own people. Mulat kon mishit kana me shikon division me chani genere kuma kama tuogan tama ano shikir me yadit ano she togono be kuma Dr. Machar be yar right kon ka kui Dr. Machar ko jen the main political party the weak South Sudan me dem alde jenore weak South Sudan so me jen kon kan Nuere o kon kan national level bana right no gor kon mat gor kon unity re weak South Sudan but not when nakane kon not when yan kanekon not when yan kanwari kitkamen cha Dr. Machar chaje yen ka yos ke wuri chala par kole ka gwade ko be ku SPLA yo be je destroy ka ban John Wari ba je destroy reason na la ka kon gwas me linga je mala roi kon ka je lung ni shang ka ku da ma char o dor kon dia den content jaga yan maj kana ka kon ka shunga ka shu da ma char while other no leader are keeping quiet, they are silent. Gwan mi mo kwa neken kwa ko praise gwan mi yar ka neken na ka neken mi jira mi jidit ka Nuer Online TV channel gor jen wajin de subscribe ko notification bell de jetwan anda mandu chan ko nyak an wala shang wal bakal ka pay badak ron kin dangraw wi de dangraw wi de dich akon mala ye posa an bi ataka mal